Hello guys, you are welcome once again to my channel. If you are a new member here, kindly subscribe and turn on notification to get updated when I post new videos.
In this video, I will introduce you to a Tron mining platform that gives you opportunity to mine unlimited Tron in without investment, and you will withdraw directly to your Trust wallet for free. Do well to watch this video to the end, since I will show you some other ways to earn from the platform. The first thing to do is to copy your Tron address and paste it at the website. Once you are done, tap on enter and it would automatically create an account with your address. When you log in, you will get the free plan, which gives you 10 hash power for mining, and you will earn 0.5 TRX daily and 3.5 TRX weekly. You can choose to buy any of the plans here. Buy what you can afford to lose. For the sake of this video, I will use the free plan. Another way you can earn from this platform is through the affiliate system. You earn 0.03 TRX as referral bonus and 7% commission when any of your subordinates purchase a miner. When you come to statistics, you see the total number of registered members and the total amount paid out, as well as the last 10 transactions from the platform. Once you start the mining, tap on collect to add the total amount of mined Tron to your available balance. To make a withdrawal, go to withdraw and enter the amount of TRX you want to withdraw from the site. The minimum amount to withdraw is 8 TRX and the network fee is 1 TRX. When you are done, tap on withdraw. If you check the withdrawal history, you will see that's the status of my withdrawal is pending, so I wait for some time for my withdrawal to reflect. If you encounter any difficulties or problems, go to support and send a mail with your message to the customer service. Do well to add your Tron address to the message. I'm going to check my Trust wallet to see if my withdrawal has reflected. As you can see, the amount has been sent to my wallet and 1 TRX was deducted from the amount. I'm going back to check the status of my withdrawal at the site. As you can see from the withdrawal history, there is no pending withdrawal. Check the comment section or video description for the registration link. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on post notifications.